Hello everybody. Okay, I'm going to try to do a hotspot, but let's see how it works. Okay, so and we're going to show the figures, and we're going to show the connection on the OLED IDE. Okay, so this is the code. Okay, that's the code, and now we're going to start. I made up, as you see here, hotspot, and you can make your own hotspot on your router, and this will access it. So that's one of the way. So let's see what happened here. Yeah, there we are. What we got here? We got my hotspot and my password, and it's got my IP addresses. Okay, so now we're going to go and use the cellular phone. To access it. Okay, there we got it. Hotspot. So we click on hotspot, and there it is, my hotspot. Enter password. Obviously do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, did I put the correct password, I think? Yeah, why not? It worked on my other phone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Connect. Okay, we are connected to the hotspot, but it will always say, obviously, there is no internet because I don't have a hotspot connected, created a hotspot on my router. So what you have to do is, in order to get internet, because I am connected, but I don't have internet access because obviously that is just a fictitious number, SSID and the password. So what this does, it shows you that you can create, okay, the Wemos D1, it's not that strong, okay? There is other way of doing it, like bridging it, but then it can become more complicated. This is the easiest way, and you can put it, you can have a few of these in different rooms where you could access, and also you need something like perhaps, okay, something like this maybe, to make it strong connection. So it's on the other side. Okay, so this is one, it's an area. You also get telescopic area. Telescopic area, which is probably better, much stronger. And you'll be able to pick up a signal from anywhere in your property. So my suggestion is, as I said, that you set up your hotspot on your router, and then with your username, the name of your hotspot, my hotspot, call it whatever you like, and then you will see how many people will, let's see how many people will connect through. Okay. So that's an idea. I'll see if I can reset it. Maybe you get some other idea about how to set up Hotspot in your property. But thank you very much, and please give me a thumbs up if you like it.